Hey everybody, welcome to my new YouTube video. My name is Nick and today we will talk about Iconik AI website. I will show you how to create or generate icons on this website. So this is a very helpful and useful tool, and by using it you can easily create your own AI icons. Right here on their website you can see what icons you can easily generate here. So to open this website, you have to type in the search box Iconik AI, and here it is, iconikai.com. Firstly, let's try to create an account. To do it, just click on the sign up button at the top right, and here you can just continue with your Google account or enter your email address. Okay, that's all. And as you can see at the top right, now I have 8 credits for free. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the plans. There are 3 plans, basic for $2, standard for $5, and premium for $15. So for basic plan you will get 75 credits, and as you can see, 1 credit is the same thing that 1 icon generation. Unlimited downloads, and that's all. For standard plan 200 credits, and for premium plan 750 credits. And now let's try to create our own icon. So close this window and click on the generate now button. So short description of your app, just enter here the short description. For example, let's type in this field can't use the phone and click on the generate ideas. Step 2, select icon idea you like, font with a forbidden sign, clock with font crossed out, phone in a jail cell, broken smartphone, or frustrated person with phone. Let's select the first one, for example. Now I can select the necessary color. For example, let's click on gray, click on next. Now select design. I want to choose clay, click on generate icon, and it was the last step. Now just wait about 13 seconds and we'll see the result. To be honest, the first result isn't good, but the second one is pretty okay. It looks very nice, and to be honest, it's really cool icon which you can easily get for free, generate for free. And of course, if you like the result, just click on it. On this page, you'll see the download icon files button. You need to click on it, and then in the recent download history, you'll see all your images. So here it is for Android, for iOS, and for web. So let's try to open it up, and here it is. To be honest, this is a very useful website and I really like it. So guys, I hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.